While learning English, if we don't understand things, that time we feel that learning English is very challenging. Do you also feel like that? It is obvious, my friend, when we don't understand and someone is speaking, we are trying to understand, but we are not getting even 5% also that what they are exactly trying to convey with us. In that case, it become really very challenging and frustrating, right? Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you people that how you can make your English learning journey enjoyable. Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. Before I start sharing with you these kinds of things, I want to ask you from you people that how was your Holi? Did you celebrate it very nicely? If not, no problem. It is our past, right? So upcoming Holi we will celebrate nice way. But we can't say, right, that we will celebrate because life is uncertain. Okay, who knows who is going to celebrate? But yeah, these kinds of things. But at least we have to become optimistic, right? We have to be optimistic towards our life. But yeah, I hope you must have celebrated it very nicely. So let's come on the topic that how can we enjoy English learning journey. Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. See, when I was a beginner, I couldn't understand what people were talking, and while reading also, I could not get all the things. And that time, it was really frustrating. But now, I understand. Okay, day by day, it is getting easier for me because I have spent a lot of time. So in your case, today you might be feeling that this language is very challenging and I can't speak, I can't become a fluent speaker. Then that day will not remain the same. Okay, one day you will definitely speak this language. So have patience and keep trying. Okay, everything is very difficult in initially, I would say in starting things are very difficult. Okay, but if we engross in that one, if we keep doing that kinds of activity, that time we get mastery on that particular things, right? So you may have just started your speaking journey, so don't worry, my friend, one day you will definitely achieve fluency. Okay, one day you will definitely start speaking this language fluently and effortlessly. But the thing is that you have to maintain consistency every single day. Give your 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, how many hours or minutes you have, try to give for speaking this language. Okay, then you will see that your English will improve. Otherwise you are thinking that, oh, learning this language is really frustrating, and then after that you are not doing anything. Is it fair? By doing so, can you achieve something? Can you learn this language? No. So stop making excuses. We have a lot of excuses, I would say. So stop making excuses and try to take the step forward and try to see the improvement. How it would be possible. How you can bring the improvement in your speaking. I would say that by practicing, right? So every single day, just do practice and see. When we are in beginning zone, that time listening also become very frustrating, I would say, are very challenging, because we don't get whatever people are saying. In that one, we may have grammar related problem, we may have vocabulary related problem, we may have accent related problem. That if we are a beginner and we are going to watch native speaker, that time sometimes we don't get that what exactly they are trying to say. That time we think, oh, it's really very challenging. But no, if you spend 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, even few years in this language, you will start getting what they are exactly saying. So these all are the process. For that one, you need to keep listening. Okay, keep listening, native speaker or Indian speaker or whosoever you like, just keep listening, and then you will see that your listening will improve. Similarly, if you face challenges in reading, that when you read you don't get all the things, that time try to Google, try to understand, read many a time, and then you will get the things. Things are not easy in starting, but you can make it easy. How? By practicing, by taking action, right? So was I able to understand everything since my beginning day? No. I was not able to understand right from my beginning day. Okay, things were very, very challenging for me, and I thought that I couldn't become a fluent speaker. But right now, before you, I'm speaking this language. Okay, this transformation happened just because I didn't leave practicing even for a single day, just because I maintained consistency, just because I was optimistic, that one day definitely I would speak this language. And that is the reason, as a result, I'm speaking before you. So today you might be not able to convey your message. Today you might be not able to understand when someone is speaking. But that day is not going to remain the same, as I told you initially. Okay? So what is your duty, I would say? Every time I say, so what is in your hand? Practice. Practice listening, practice speaking, practice reading, practice writing. Wherever you face challenges, try to work on that particular area or field. So in my case, am I perfect in all areas of this language? No. I would say that in writing, I think I'm not perfect because I don't give a lot of time for writing, That's where I am weak. Okay? So I feel that in speaking, I give a lot of time in reading and in listening. And that is why somewhere I'm feeling that, okay, that strength is coming or my English is improving in that particular areas. But if you tell me that write, write Anita, then I won't be able to write very perfectly because I am not practicing. So without practice, how can I, expect that I can become a good writer? So in which area you are working, like wherever you are working, over there you are going to see the improvement. If you are working on your speaking, you are going to speak this language. If you are working on your grammar, you will see that you will get perfection day by day in your grammar. Okay, so it's all about your practice. It's not, you are not talented enough, you don't have environment, you don't have this one, that one. It's not about that one. It's all about your practice. Doesn't matter where you are. So we people always say that we don't have environment. My friend, I don't have environment, and many people, they are proving it wrong, that without environment they are speaking this language very fluently. Why? Because it's a social media era, right? We can use our mobile phone, our laptop, anything in right way for learning things. It could be learning any languages, learning any skill, I would say, right? Day by day it is becoming easier. So start taking a step, start practicing every single day, okay? And then you will see that your English will improve. But sitting at your home, just you are blaming your circumstances. I don't have environment. That is why my English is not improving. I'm not good at reading. I'm not good at speaking, as well as I'm not good at writing. These all areas can be improved. How? If we work on them, if we focus on them, okay? So as I told you that I am weak in writing, so I have come to know my weakness. What is my duty now? That every single day I should start writing, and I write but very less. I think that is not sufficient for my improvement. So at least I should write 1 page, 2 pages, 3, 4 pages. Like how many pages I can, I should. And then I'll see that after a few months, I'll be a good writer, right? So in your case also, today you are not a well speaker, but you will not remain the same. But if you don't take the step, I'm sorry to say you will remain the same, okay? But if you take the step, you will not remain the same, because you are going to add on, you are going to plus some things, right? So in this way, improvement will take place, and your any area you can see improvement, I would say. Okay, so for speaking this language also, if you try to listen every single day, today you might be not able to understand while listening anyone, but one day you will start understanding. How? If you keep listening every single day, not in your mother tongue, but in English. Okay, many a thing try to watch in English only, and then you will see improvement. If your grammar is weak somewhere, then try to work on your grammar. Go and visit some channel and watch. If you are weak in tenses, work on your tenses. A lot of things are available, my friend. You should not wait for the perfect moment, perfect day, that day will arrive and then I will start practicing. No, you should start today onwards, right? And you don't have to start from the big thing that I'll practice 7 hour, 8 hour. No, start from the small one and then keep adding on every single day. Okay, try to add on at least 1 minute, 2 minutes like that, and then try to practice more and more. If you speak a lot, and then you will see that your voice will change, your fluency will change, and the way you speak, okay, your way of explanation will also, so many things will change. I would say that altogether you will learn communication skill, okay, that how to talk, how to express the things. These all things will improve altogether. How? By practicing. But if you think that it will automatically happen, it will never ever happen. You have to take the step, you have to take the right step, okay, on the right time. Don't wait for the perfect moment and all. It will never ever arrive, my friend, okay. You have to take your moment and make it perfect. Okay, so this moment is really perfect. Start speaking and then you will see your English will improve. And I always don't talk about only English. In any areas you can apply these things, okay. If you want to do anything, just start. Today is the right time and right place wherever you are, okay. Don't think that I'll go somewhere and then start speaking, because at my home if I start speaking they may start laughing. No problem, you can set yourself inside the room and then after that start speaking. Because starting can be little bit challenging. When I was a beginner, then that time I thought that no one should watch me while practicing and all, okay. And I did it. Someday I did it hidely. Day by day I'm trying to come out from these kinds of things, just like what people will say and they will laugh at me. No, I don't care that much. So this is what I did, and without having environment I improved my English. Then why can't you? You can also improve your English, right? Because it's possible now. Don't make lame excuses. Just start and you will see that you will not remain the same place. So for today, this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you people like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.